We were faced with a challenge to reintroduce a legendary drink with a cult status in the former Yugoslavia to a younger audience. Cockta was the drink of the youth in the former Yugoslavia, where it brought together various countries, nationalities and generations. After Yugoslavia was dissolved, the recognisable character and regional identity of Cockta gradually disappeared. The only way to reconnect the young audience in the region was to offer them something exclusive, regional fame and global content. We decided to scout the region and surf the trends. We created an opportunity for 8 actors and actresses to feature in the captivating story of Nevergreen, a mythical town ruled over by a clan of vampires. And we filmed a proper 90-minute vampire saga that took the form of a web series. We were looking to find young people and reintroduce them to Cockta. First, we created an online audition site, which was soon followed by 2 exclusive live casting events in Zagreb and Belgrade. Young men and women seeking immortal fame quickly seized upon the opportunity, and Cockta quickly became the hottest casting agency in the region. Everyone wanted to be a vampire. An instant buzz was created among the youth, and it generated 240,000 page views, almost 600 contestants and over 400,000 votes. Our Facebook page gained over 100,000 fans in a matter of days. The winning vampires were faced with an unforgettable week of filming. And so, the Nevergreen saga began. Constant activity with a viral Cockta effect generated a mass of young talent thirsty for immortality.
Res želite ta okus zamenjati za to? Cockta, vedno živa.
Nevergreen creates a new Cockta trend. The number of visitors skyrocketed, and we could hardly keep up with the viewers first. Vampires were everywhere. Nevergreen became a legend, and Cockta was an absolute hit, once again becoming the trendiest drink for youth and bringing the entire region together. Results: Cockta, forever alive.